Hello, we are excited to introduce the Avatar Maker UMA Unity plugin that generates avatars compatible with the characters from the Unity Multipurpose Avatars plugin. This version supports only male bodies. First of all, you have to import the UMA2 plugin and the Avatar Maker UMA plugin into your project. To create your first avatar, go to the window and choose Avatar Maker UMA. The corresponding window will be displayed. Configuration section shows a template race and recipes that are the base elements for the generated avatars. Usually, all created assets are automatically added to the UMA global library once they are generated. In case some of the assets are missing in the global library, you can use the Force to Update Global Library button. You can generate an avatar by choosing a photo from the file system. The photo should be in the JPEG or PNG formats and should contain a human frontal face. Also, you can use a webcam to take a photo. Select an image and wait till the avatar is generated. The plugin generates new mesh by modifying vertices positions of the template head, but we don't change the bones positions in the skeleton. Each avatar has its own race data, which is based on the template race, but with the changed base race recipe. The recipe with the created slots for face, eyes, and mouth. Wardrobe recipe that can be applied to the dynamic character avatar object for attaching the avatar to the character on the scene. Face, eyes, and mouth slots contain mesh data of the avatar. Face overlay with a texture for the head. Body overlay with a texture for the body. Now, we will demonstrate how the avatar can be applied to the character. Open Avatar Maker UMA sample scene and press the play button. As you can see, it shows the template character. Select the created avatar in the Avatar Maker window and press Show on the Scene button. The character is changed. To show this character right at the start of the scene, you can make the following simple modifications. Select the UMA Dynamic Character Avatar object in the scene hierarchy. Find an active race field in the Inspector window and choose the race of the created avatar. Press the play button. Avatar is applied to the character on the scene. Another way is adding a wardrobe recipe. Revert the active race to the Avatar Maker male race. Find the created wardrobe recipe and drag it to the Wardrobe Recipes field. After that, you can play the scene. Thank you for watching this tutorial.